Hello, if you wonder why your Google Pixel Watch 3 battery is draining so fast, then there is several reasons why battery is draining faster than expected. And here I can find, I've got some tips for you how you can actually save the battery. So first of all, we've got the high screen brightness. And as you know, keeping the screen brightness too high or using the always on display feature can significantly reduce the battery life. So what we have to do is just to open the display, go into the brightness, and here first of all we can simply try to use the brightness level, the automatic adjustment, but also we can manually reduce the brightness. So be sure that you adjust these parameters to your preferences. And also, as I said before, there's this always on screen, so it's called always on display. It's also taking the battery, so we can try to simply turn it off, and the same with the screen timeout. So if you often forgot to switch off your screen, maybe it will be better to switch from 30 seconds to 10 seconds, for example. And there's also issue with frequent notifications. So if you receive constant notifications, it can actually drain the battery, as the screen simply lights up and vibrations and sound are triggered. So if you want to limit the number of notifications, you will have to simply go into your settings one more time. You have to open apps and notifications, open notifications, and right now you can show all of these incoming notifications. So let's say that I'm receiving a lot of notifications from Google Calendar. I have to just click here and then simply switch this off. You can also adjust some categories notifications like calendar or tasks. We got also all of these background apps and services. So when apps running in the background, such as fitness, tracking, music, streaming services or location services, it can also consume the battery. So you can close unused apps. That's quite simple. You have to click on this button, then click and hold on the application and select to clean them from recents. There we go. And next, of course, we've got all of this connectivity. So we've got the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE. So if you're leaving the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or LTE constantly, especially if you are not using them, it can actually drain the battery. So we have to simply go for the settings. We have to go for the connectivity. And now, if you are not using the Wi-Fi, you can simply switch this off. And we have to click here, and the same for the NFC if you are not paying with this device, and of course for the LTE. But as you can see, in my case, I've got only the Wi-Fi version, so this is the reason why I cannot actually activate here the NFC. And this could be also for old or buggy software. So if our software is outdated or there's some kind of the bugs in the operating system, it can cause unexpected battery drain. So we have to simply be sure that we are running for the latest version of the software. We have to open the settings and then go for the system, move for the system updates, and now be sure that you are up to date. The same with the third-party watch faces or apps. So some third-party watch faces or apps may not be optimized for power efficiency, and you can simply try to switch for the default watch face or remove all of these apps that you actually download and maybe you are not using them, right? You can download here a lot of different apps, but if you are not using them, you can simply try to switch them off, basically uninstall or disable. And also, if you have some, vibrations or sounds enabled, like for example, the strong vibrations for notifications, alarms, or some kind of the tap sounds, this could also drain your battery. So if you want to get rid of it, you will have to open the settings one more time. And we have to navigate for sound. And first of all, we can adjust all of this sounds like ring, notification, alarm, media, call, screen unlocking sound, charging sounds. And you can also do the same for the vibration. So you can turn off, for example, the vibration and haptics. You can change intensity of the vibrations, like for the ringtone, notifications, alarm, the touch feedback, or for example, when you are using the crown. And generally you can simply enable the battery saver mode in the settings, so it will disable like Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and you can also try to use the do not disturb mode. And if none of these solutions work, you can factory reset or consulting Google support. It might be actually necessary. Thanks for watching.